changed a lot in middle school. Not just how I looked, but how I felt about things, like my friends and my family and myself. I had to deal with a lot of new situations. But I'm not telling you anything new. You're already finding out that a lot of things start to change in middle school.
I hope I make a lot of new friends this year.
Middle school is really different from elementary school. I'm getting a lot more responsibility now.
I hope I get art class second semester.
There is this guy that I like. I'm not gonna say who he is.
There's lots more stuff to choose from. Classes, sports, friends, activities.
I hear track is kind of fun. I mean, a lot of people turn out, and there's a lot of different things you can do.
I'm one of the cool kids, definitely.
I don't know what you're thinking of doing in middle school, but whatever it is, you'll need some skills to do it. Maybe sports skills, or academic skills, or social skills. When you're in class, you're usually learning academic skills.
Who can explain the principles at work here?
Rubbing the plastic comb with a cloth transfers electrons from the atoms in the cloth to the plastic comb.
Excellent.
Academic skills are very important, but what if you find yourself in a situation that calls for social skills?
Come on, we just need to copy the last 2 pages.
It's only history homework. We could have done it if we had time.
Well, can we copy or not?
Rubbing the plastic comb with a cloth transfers electrons from the atoms in the cloth to the comb.
What?
Okay, I'm exaggerating, but you get the idea. Sometimes academic skills just don't cut it. You're going to run into a lot of challenges in middle school. You'll need social skills to deal with.
It's hard to fit in sometimes. I used to hang out with this one group, but now I don't.
Some of the kids are kind of mean. They say stuff about you that's not true.
It's hard to know where to start when you have a really big problem to solve.
There are kids at my school that get in fights. I really want to stay away from that.
Sometimes I see things happen that I know are wrong, but it's hard to say or do something about it.
This one time, a friend tried to get me to smoke.
Sometimes I get into arguments and I don't even remember how they started.
Sound familiar? These are pretty common challenges you might have to deal with. The good news is, you're not alone. The person sitting next to you right now is probably going through a lot of the same things you are. This is your chance to talk about it, share your ideas, and figure out together how you can all get the most out of middle school.